na siya. Excited siya. Try Wizard. Ayaw niya magbaw. Ayaw niya.
This is Harry's room. You also get to experience the Flu powder, Flu Network.
Good morning! Today is our day 2 here in Tokyo, Japan. We are checked in Hop-In Asakusa. So, ito ang tunay na kaganapan sa aming kwarto. Nakikita nyo naman mga nakasabit dyan. Yung tuwalya namin nakasabit. At saka itong plastic na to ay laman ay pagkain. Tapos, ang laki-laki ng TV. Naka-YouTube ako kagabi dito. So, pinapanood ko yung mga vlogs nila. JM, Marvin, Ivan. So, Tokyo para at least, di ba, mas ma-inspire pa kami maggala-gala dito sa Tokyo. So, our itinerary today is we're going to Warner Brothers, The Making of Harry Potter, The Goblet of Fire. Yun yung ano namin. And I'd like to thank Klook for sponsoring this activity for us, kaming apat ng family. Ang balak lang namin is one major activity kami per day. Teka lang, nagtatanggal ako ng mga patches sa likod kasi masakit yung likod ko kahapon. Ito yun, no, yung Roihi Choboko. Yan. So, basically, ganito lang siya. Cold patch siya. Merong hot, tsaka may cold. Cold pala tong nabili ko. So, malamig siya sa likod. Pero bibili ako ng hot kasi mas gusto ko yung parang hot compress sa likod. So, maliliit lang siya na dots. Tapos, nakaano siya sa likod ko. So, okay naman. Nalilive naman ako. So, I think I'm gonna buy it again. At maganda dito, parang marami siyang laman. Para lang makita niyo yung laman. Ayan, ganito siya. Puno yung isang ganito. Tapos parang 156 yung laman. Naka-pack siyang ganyan. Tapos, ayan. 156 yung laman niya. So, may instructions dito kung meron kang pain point sa may bandang balikat, sa leeg, sa likod, kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Nakalagay naman dyan. So, I think this is a good buy. Kasi bilang tumatanda na, aging people na. Kaya excited ako bumili pa sa Donkey bago kami umuwi. The real situation also of our table is like that. Yung mga gamot namin, supplements namin, vitamins nandyan, saksakan. Sobrang okay na itong saksakan namin na to kasi andito na lahat ng pwede mong isaksak na Type-C tsaka USB. So, cords na lang ang dinadala namin. So, pang-charge ng lahat. Magdadala rin ako ng water kasi alis kami today. Tapos may mga water refilling stations naman tayo. Samahan nyo kami ngayon. Fulfill natin ang dream ng asawa ko na makapunta sa Warner Brothers studio kasi gusto niya makita yung The Making of Harry Potter. Yung asawa ko kasi favorite niya yun. Tapos memorize niya halos lahat ng lines sa Harry Potter. Sobrang paulit-ulit sa bahay kahit ilang beses niya napanood. Ako nabasa ko yung libro, napanood ko rin. Pero hindi ako like super duper mega fan. Sana rin mag-enjoy yung mga seniors namin nakasama kasi alam nyo na, madaling mapagod. Pero we'll see what God will do to our itinerary today. So pray for us. First breakfast.
Good morning, everybody.
Musubi. Dito kami kumakain sa lobby ng Hop-In. Oh my God, ang ganda ng ko. Parang glass skin. Pinili ko dun sa yung sun mist. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Pagpasensya nila po yung asawa ko. Pinakausap kayo pero puring-puri sa sarili.
Yan talaga. You love yourself. Hindi ko alam kung paano tanggalin yung plastic sa loob. Paano ba ito pang tanggalin? Ayan. Ayan. Pero kinakain yung sweet eh. Hindi ko na alam. Magulo na. Oh my God. So, bumili na kami ng Tokyo Subway ticket sa Klook and then kinuha namin yung physical ticket using the QR code here in this machine. So, makikita mo yan lahat. Ikaw muna, mami. Get the ticket. So, laging wheelchair accessible pag seniors. So, dito kami sa Asakusa Station going to Haneda Airport. Tatandaan nyo lagi kung saan yung ending nung nasa Google Maps. Tapos, bababa kami dito sa Diamond A09. Lipat kami sa Uedo Line. Ayan, sakay na kami. Escalator. Going to our transfer train. Uedo Line. Studio tour, right. After 16 station. Nandito na kami sa Toshimaen Station going to Warner Brothers Studio, Tokyo. So there's a different station na may Harry Potter theme. This is Toshimaen Station in the Seibu line. So apparently, hindi pwede yung Tokyo subway ticket namin dito. Hindi pwede yung only dito. Hindi siya pasok dun sa line na pwede. So punta na lang kami diretso sa Warner Brothers Studio. Diretso lang. Lakad-lakad lang. Sabi ko ang init. Minuksan niya yung payong. Wow. So this is the way going to the studios. Parang feeling ko iba-iba yung theme. Itong year na to, it's Harry Potter or parang 2 years ng Harry Potter. Kasi Warner Brothers eh. So kahit anong films yan, di ba? Stop and appreciate this hydrangeas. How do you pronounce it? Ganda. Din 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 din. Uy, si Hagrid oh. Ayun oh. Ang laking Hagrid there. Naku, baka may niknik dito. Ayun na siya. Excited siya. Pero maaga pa kami. Babalik kami. Kasi anong oras pa lang? 11:12 pa lang. We have an hour before we can come in. Glasses ni Harry. Order na kami dito. Beef curry. Ano ba to? Recommended. Uy, may eel ulit. 1-2 lang oh. May beef pa. Parang gusto ko ulit na ito.
Ako, tingnan ko yan.
Sige. Large serving. Regular without soup. With soup.
Ayan, may cola.
Cola.
Korean beef bulgogi. Korean? Punta dito. Favorite kasi namin Korean. Grilled beef with garlic bowl. Ikaw muna? Beef bowl topped with green onion and soft boiled egg. Ayan, extra large servings. Okay na yan. Regular. Ayan yung mga numbers.
100.
Tapos titignan mo doon kung ano. Tapos kukunin dito. Guys, eel na naman po tayo for today. Eel with grilled beef. Kasi nagustuhan ko talaga yung last night. Pero ito mas mura to. Nasa 1,000 yen lang to. So mga nasa 400 pesos. Yung kagabi nasa mga 700 pesos yun. What's this one? Ano ba to?
Pepper.
Do I need to put it here?
It depends on you. If you want your food to be a little bit spicy,
Let's just put it there. Oh no! Like ito. This is the eel, guys. Activity passport. Oh, anong laman yan? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Dapat magawa natin lahat yan. Okay. Kuha mo rin ako isa. Food hall! It's like you are inside Hogwarts! Wow! So nice. Ah, nice. Nandito sila Harry. Harry! Uniforms na Ravenclaw, Gryffindor. Tapos, merch area here, entrance, and then the food hall is here. So, I think we should start now. It's Friday, 29th of September 2000, day 1 of filming and the launch of a legacy.
whoa!
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Philosopher's Stone. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Goblet of Fire. Order of the Phoenix. Half-Blood Prince. Deathly Hallows. Deathly Hallows Part 2. Fantastic Beasts. Nice! Hindi ko naman maintindihan yung sinasabi. These are the people who created Harry Potter. Wow! Ay, nako, nakakainis. Hindi namin maintindihan. Dapat pala nag-English, ano kami? It's Hagrid.
子供コメントに登場するさまざまな新オーダーのシーンとなります。ここは映画ではこのトラ
original Triwizard Goblet of Fire. That's the Goblet of Fire.
She's telling the story of what happened sa Triwizard at sa Goblet of Fire ng movie.
FAQs and set decoration.
With my little pencil doodles.
Makikita mo sarili mo dyan, oh. Doon tayo para makita natin sarili natin. Dito. Create your own moving portrait. Tap to start. Scan your QR code. Oh, yung QR.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
let's start.
Okay.
Let's take a-
Ako muna. Hi! Yan, scan QR code. Tapos punta na sa likod. Bilis! Nagre-record na siya. Nakikita nyo ba? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, dapat moving. Tapos na? Ito naman si Mike. Cute. Where is me? Ayun si Mike. Nasaan ako? Oh.
So happy! I'm moving again, look!
Mahal ako. Nasaan ako? Ayun ako. Ayan. Ganda. Nagmo-move yung staircase, guys. It's moving. Nandito ko, guys. This is the Gryffindor Common Room. Harry and Ron as seen in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. The portrait depicts a young professor, Minerva McGonagall. Hermione and Ginny as seen in Half-Blood Prince. Ayan sila. This is the Slytherin Common Room.
This is where I belong.
Explore the Gryffindor Boys Dormitory. Ang galing naman. The dormitory beds stayed this same size even though the boys quickly outgrew them. So dito natutulog. What's that? This is the Quidditch costume, no?
Yes. Uniform.
Uniform. Uniform. Ayan. So, pwedeng mag-film dito. Parang nasa Harry Potter na rin. Parang ginagawa nila. Acting workshop pala yun. Mapapanood natin dito yung mga ginawa namin. Are you ready to see the final film scene you created together? Me too! Ayan na! Ito pwede mo ma-download agad yung ginawa yung filming experience. Ay, ito na! Ay, hindi. Portrait stairs pala. Nandito na agad yung sa portrait. Ayan na siya, oh. Yung Quidditch na lang antayin natin. This is the broomstick, guys. Nimbus 2000. Firebolt. Broomstick ni Harry. Quidditch balls and chest. Si Ron Weasley. The Vanishing Cabinet. It's the pensive. It is where Dumbledore revives memories. Guys, this is Dumbledore's office. Yun yung sword ni Dumbledore there. Dumbledore's largest telescope is there. That's the memory cabinet. Death Eaters. These are the Death Eaters. The Griffin Stairwell. Wizarding World wands. Lahat ng wands nila nandito. Design your Death Eater mask. Ito, mas nakakatakot. Next. Yan.
You've just created your own Death Eater mask. Your mask has just been added to the collection above. Where? Ay, oo nga, ang galing. Ayun siya sa taas.
Kita mo na? Ang galing, no?
Galing ah. Ayun siya. Ayun. Magic. So these are the props that ginamit sa mismong film. Iba-iba yan. Like ito, yun yung love potion display from Half-Blood Prince. Tapos ito, broom ni Ron Weasley. Ay mali, broom ni Arthur Weasley pala from Deathly Hallows. Tapos yung for Love Goods Plum Tree. Sticky trainers. Costumes. Ito na yung mga costumes nila. Fleur Delacour. Yan yung ano, in her costume at the Yule Ball. Ito yung mga wigs, mga beard ni Hagrid. This is the potion classroom. That's where you will create your own potion. So this is the mirror of Erased. Lahat ng deepest desires mo, lalabas na siya dito. Oh, Snape is there. I like there kasi nandun si Snape. Defense against the dark arts, Professor Snape. Ayoko yan, si Dolores Umbridge. I hate her. Charot. Lupin. Mad-Eye Moody. Ayan na yung asawa kong walang wand. Yan. Tama yan.
改めましてこんにちは。ここは闇の町の膝を軽く曲げ体まっすぐにフリックと言います。じゃあ皆さんでやってみましょう。3、2、1、ステップ5。おお、皆さん今の見ましたか？3、2、1、エクスペリアム。あれは熱水だ。熱水だ。いいですか皆様。ワンと3、2、1、ステップ5。疲れた。
Tom Riddle's grave. Kunwari may hinahanap siyang libro. He who must not be named. We are entering Forbidden Forest. Oh, who is he?
Buckbeak.
Buckbeak. Hagrid and Buckbeak. Diyan daw siya sa usok. Sana magbaw siya. Lo, ayaw yata niya sa'yo. Ayaw niya magbaw. Ayaw niya. Ikaw muna kaya magbaw. Ayun! Sabi sa'yo, ikaw muna eh. Walang iya. Napakatagal. Rambo cars. Designing the mentors. Oy, galing ah. Ayun pa oh.
Oh my God!
Halfway na ng tour namin. This is Hagrid's hut. And then that's the cafe. So, ibig sabihin nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng tour. O, ikaw muna. Parang bata siya eh. Backlot Cafe. Butterbeer on the left. Yung mga meals nila, 3,000 to 9 yen. This is the ordera ng butterbeer. Pag butterbeer, 1,250. Pag frozen butterbeer, 1,400.
Yeah.
Sarap ba? Oh, ikaw. Yeah. Wala. Walang foam. got this as souvenirs. Pag bumili ka ng butterbeer, pwede mo siyang hugasan. Meron silang designated hugasan dito sa tabi ng restaurant. Tapos, yun, pwede mo na uwi to for 1,400 yen.
So we're approaching the giant chessboard. This is the second challenge that was done by Ron Weasley on the first ever Harry Potter the Philosopher's Stone. Yeah, so nice. Wow. This is the bridge where Harry Potter and Hermione were talking about the enemy. This is where they were gathering after the office ni Dolores Umbridge. And ito yung sumabog na bridge sa final battle nila sa Hogwarts kung saan nahulog lahat ng mga Snatchers. After eating, we are now proceeding. So this is where you eat, yung cafe. Ibig sabihin niya, nasa kalagitnaan ka na ng tour. And then ito din yung bentahan or kung saan ka bumibili ng butterbeer. So it's actually good if you can include popcorn or yung chips with seaweeds and butterbeer para hindi masyadong matamis. So, yun. This is Privet Drive, number 4 Privet Drive, where Harry Potter lived for how many years? Privet 4. So, bahay to ni Uncle Vernon and Aunt Petunia, and we are going inside the house. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Wow! This is also the house where Harry Potter first experienced Dobby. Ito yung kapatid ni Uncle Vernon na lumobo sa third installment, third movie. This is where Harry received his letter. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the Dursley family. We're going inside. Ito yung stairs kung saan mo makikita yung kwarto. Oh my gosh. This is Harry's room. Man, Harry's room. And look at the letters. Flying letters. Alam nyo ba na there was no mail during that time? Walang mail. Pero dahil it's magic, kaya lumabas lahat ng mga letters. It was all delivered by the owls. There's the sister of Uncle Vernon. So this is what they were eating when Harry got angry because the sister of Uncle Vernon called her mom a So yeah. I am going to take over my wife's video for today because wala siyang masasabi. Ako lang talaga. Konti lang yung masasabi niya. Ako yung maraming mas masasabi. So after ng bahay, we are going outside. Tapos sa bahay na to, on the third installment, dito niya na-miss na or na-experience ang night bus. Kasi na-stranded siya. So he was stranded. He was a stranded wizard. So lahat ng mga stranded wizard sumasakay ng night bus. So ito na ang night bus. There you go! He actually fell before he came in the night bus because he saw Sirius Black. So here's the night bus. This is a very significant na bike. Kay Hagrid na ito na bike. So yung unang-unang pagdala kay Harry Potter sa Privet Drive, Hagrid used this bike. Dito umiyak si Hagrid. Yan. And then, the last one, nung papunta na sila kasi meron ng tray si Harry, sinundo nila sa Privet Drive si Harry. Ito na yung dala niya. May sidecar na kasi isasakay na uli ni Hagrid si Harry. So we are now going to continue with the tour. After a certain break, dito ka papasok. Ang papasukan mo na is the platform. Wow! This is the platform 9 3/4. So for you to get a photo of that wonderful, wonderful train, the Hogwarts Express, merong pila. Very significant kasi itong train na to because of course sa lahat ng movies dito sila sumasakay from London going to Hogwarts, and dito rin yung nangyari yung mga ilang mga episodes where Harry met Cho Chang, dito sila na-meet ng mga Dementors, tapos dito rin unang nakatikim si Harry ng puking pestles and everything. Lahat ng mga jelly beans, dito rin niya na-eat. Yung frog na tumalon outside of the window, dito rin niya na-experience sa train na yan. Hi guys, so when you go here to the Warner Brothers Harry Potter Tour Tokyo Experience, you actually get a passport. And then sa passport na to, meron siyang parang mga directions where to go, ganyan. Tapos, if you are able to actually find all those na pinapahanap niya, you get a stamp at the last part. Tapos, very exciting lang yung ginagawa kasi hahanapin mo talaga siya. For example, dito sa pinakauna, ang hahanapin mo, look at this, find the port key. Yan. So, ang hint niya is a warm place in the Gryffindor common room. So, technically, it's the fireplace, right? So, papakita ko sa inyo na nakita ko siya sa may fireplace. Pero, sobrang exciting niya kasi hindi mo siya manonotice agad dahil napakaliit lang niya. Yan, ito siya, ito, yan. Tapos yung isa naman is look for the dragon. Ayan, nandito siya yung dragon. Ayun yung dragon. Yan. So, nakakatuwa na may parang game din siya na hahanapin. Yan. Kaya if you're able to find all of these at the last part, you actually get a stamp. So, exciting. And then, as you are queuing up, marami ka nang makikita dito. As you're queuing up for the Hogwarts Express. Ayan yung Hogwarts Express. Marami ka nang makikita dito actually. So, nasa harap ko ngayon are all the luggages ng mga characters. So, this is Ginny Weasley's luggage. Ito naman yung sa kambal kay George tsaka kay Fred. Yan. So, sa second part ng tour, meron kang opportunity to take a photo dito sa luggages going through the wall. And meron ding railway shop. Yan. Where you can buy merchandise ng Harry Potter. Ooh! Meron chocolate frogs. And then you can also buy robes here. Para yung experience mo, habang pumapasok ka, mayroon kang robe. Yan, meron ganito. So there's Ravenclaw, there's Hufflepuff, there's Gryffindor, and Slytherin. And of course, huwag kalimutan yung wands. There's the wands. Yan. And paglabas mo ng shop, there is an actual experience of the Hogwarts Express. So pwede kang pumasok dito. So everyone's queuing in. So you get to actually get inside the Hogwarts Express. Kung asawa ko tong nag-vlog, hindi niya yung magkukwento sa inyo. So ako na yung magkukwento sa inyo. So pagpasok natin dito, of course, nandito na yung experience. Oh shucks, para talaga. Oh no, ganda talaga. Wow! So, meron pa siyang toilet. Yeah. And then, you get to have the seats. So, this is Ron and Harry. Ito yung unang-una nilang pagkikita. Yan. Tapos, si Harry, bumili siya ng maraming goodies. Dito, unang-una nangyari yung paglipad ng frog. Tapos, dito nila nakita si Dumbledore sa cards. So, lahat ng mga flavors ng mga beans, tinatry nilang dalawa dito kasi maraming pera si Harry. Kaya, ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung bunk nila Malfoy. Yung carriage nila Malfoy. So, mga Slytherin, nandito sila. So, ayan. Magkakasama na silang tatlo. Dito rin nangyari sa Hogwarts Express yung unang pagpapakita ni Hermione ng powers niya. Ito yung pag-ayos niya ng eyeglasses ni Harry. Ito yung pangatlo. Yan, dito na nila na-meet yung Death Eaters. Ay, Dementors pala. Yan, dito na yan. Si Luna is here! Oh my God! Luna is here! Luna! And Ginny Weasley. Ito pala. Ang galing. Si Professor Lupin. Si Ron, dito nila na-meet yung mga Dementors. Tapos si Harry at si Hermione nandito. The twins are also here. Si Fred tsaka si George, they're here. And at the last part, you get to experience Dementors. Labas, labas, labas. Ang saya talaga kasi you really get to experience yung na-experience din nila. So, we're going inside the next part of the tour. At ito yung mga bagong characters.
So fantastic.
Yeah, sa Fantastic Beasts. So, Jacob is here! Jacob Kozlowski. He creates the best breads. Yan. Yusuf is here. Bunty, yung alalay ni Newt Scamander. Theseus, yan, kapatid ni Newt Scamander. Oh, ito favorite ko to. Eulalie, napakagaling na wizard. Para siyang si Hermione. Tapos si Newt Scamander, of course, bagong Harry Potter. Joke lang yan. Ito yung pag-construct ng mga set designs nila sa mga movies. Amazing. Ito yung sumabog sa isang mga movies nila. So, we're now entering the Ministry of Magic. Wow! This is the Ministry of Magic and my wife is taking a photo. Ayan! Oh my God! Mayroong picture ako dito. So, pag gumamit ka ng Flu Network, dito ka lalabas. So, ang galing kasi because of your QR code, you also get to experience the Flu Powder, Flu Network. Ayan. Ang Galing. Tas diretso na siya sa phone mo. Masaya, mahal?
Saya.
So this is the whole Ministry of Magic. And then, ito yung mga bagong characters na sa Ministry. Yeah, si Leta Lestrange, Newt Scamander, Theseus Scamander. Ito yung mga old to. This is Pius, this is Dolores, and that's Coban. Yeah, Yaxley, si Yaxley. Si Yaxley na humabol sa kanila sa forest and the one that actually injured Ron Weasley. Wow, ang ganda! So, in one of the episodes, pagpasok nila Harry, ito yung nakita nila. Kaya ganito ang art design nila dito sa Ministry of Magic. They wanted to actually tell everyone that magic is mightier than all the muggles. At yung mga nasa baba na yan, mga muggles yan. At cute-cute, may tagalinis sila. So, in one of the episodes na nag-infiltrate sila sa Ministry of Magic, yan ang disguise nila using the... Ano nga yun? We are entering now the creature shop. Ito yung mga creature na na-focus sa movies ng Harry Potter. Amazing. At meron naman po tayong nakitang isang dragon. So, ito yung mga puppetry na ginawa nila. This is the Thunderbird. This is the Thestral kung saan sumakay sila from Hogwarts to Ministry of Magic sa Order of the Phoenix. Ito naman yung mga dwarves and elves. Dobby creature. Itong next na papasukan natin, ito na yung mga bagong makikita mo sa mga movies ng Fantastic Beasts. So, Eddie Redmayne is here. So, the character designs, modeling, rigging, saya, texturing, compositing. And we are now here in the broomsticks. Oh my God! We are going to ride. Yes. Amazing. So, ito yung animation ng broom. So, we got the package. So, we have photos. That's my poster. There you go. Super nice. Yeah, there you go. And we also got a online downloadable
Digital file.
files. So it's amazing.
Sulit.
So now we're entering the sound because sound is 85% of a film. Ito yung character dialogue dito nila sinushoot, yung mga sound effects. Wow, ito pala yan. Tingnan mo. Wow. So dito din ginagawa yung mga soundtracks. So we're entering the last area. Yung sound na mas pinofocus nila is the Freedom of the Dragon. Yan, sa Diagon Alley, sa may bank. So, ayan. Galing. Sobrang galing. We are here in the Diagon Alley. Yung akala mo tapos na pero meron pa. Grabe ang ganda ng Diagon Alley. Oh my God. Wow. Amazing. So this is the Gringotts Bank. Wow. And Apothecary. This is Ollivander's, where you buy your wand. This is where you buy your potions. Dito yung mga pets. And here's the store of George and Fred. Wow. Weasley's Wizard. So lastly, I think we're going to Hogsmeade. Oh, no. Ito na yung mga designs. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. Kasi mamamesmerize ka. If you're a Harry Potter fan, sobrang matutuwa ka. Bellatrix. Nakikita nyo ba? Those are the emails. Wow, amazing. Saka ito yung family tree nila Sirius. Wow. Amazing. Ang saya talaga. Ang galing. Sobrang ganda. And here's the Marauders map. Yay. So this is the experience. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. All over the place yung experience. Hindi mo siya ma-explain. Grabe. hindi na-justify na nakikita nyo sa video na to yung experience kasi all over the place siya. It's all around you, the experience. Grabe, sobrang ganda. But this is a miniature castle of Hogwarts. So it's all here. Amazing.
What will go down in history? What will hoist this Talisman Cap, this vessel of victory? The Triwizard Cup!
So this is how the castle looks like. Whoa. Amazing. So I found everything. I saw everything. I'm having it stamped. Whoa!
Bye, Harry.
Goodbye,
Harry, bye. Balik na ako. Ako na yung magva-vlog. Okay? Kasi siya lang naman yung memorize yung buong Harry Potter. So, bilang Potterhead, anong masasabi mo sa experience mo sa Warner Brothers Studio, the making of Harry Potter?
It's very different from Universal Studios na napuntahan natin
Sa Osaka.
Japan, sa Osaka. Very different experience. Ito, talaga siya, yung the way the movie was done, talagang ito yung papakita sa'yo, yung ibang klaseng experience talaga. Sa kasi sa Universal Studios sa Japan, lang siya, yung
Rides eh. Oo, ito kasi yung the
ito
making
experience.
experience.
Yung ganun. So,
Merong mga hindi kami pwedeng kunan na video na
Oo.
experience nyo na kailangan nyong makita dito. Dito nyo lang may experience
Yes.
yun.
As in, so without those rides, mas ma-appreciate mo yung pelikula, mas matutuwa ka kasi yung libro na binasa mo, talagang andyan siya, yung ganun. Tapos malalaman mo pa yung how critical they made every part of the movie just to suit the book. Mas sobrang ganda.
Anong favorite
matutuwa
part
ka
mo?
talaga. Yung Mystery of Magic.
Ah, okay.
Kasi pagpasok mo, ay yung Ministry of Magic, kasi pagpasok mo talagang feeling mo nasa opisina ka, sa Ministry of Magic.
Mhm. Ikaw, Mami, anong favorite mo?
Bakay ako sa broomstick. At naging artista kami.
Naging artista. O,
Wala
ikaw,
naman nagsabi na may acting workshop pala dito.
ikaw, Daddy, anong favorite part mo?
Yung butter,
Butterbeer. Oo, butterbeer. Mas masarap yung butterbeer dito for me. Kasi matamis sobra yung sa Osaka. Kaya mas okay to. So ayan, papunta na kaming train station. Lalakad kami ngayon dito. Ito kasi yung park na madadaanan mo bago ka makapasok sa studio. Maikling lakad lang naman siya. Then train station na siya agad. Mga 1 hour biyahe from here to our hotel Asakusa.
1 hour 30.
1 hour and 30. Kung gagawin namin today, sa Asakusa na kami magsha-shopping. Pahinga in shopping yan, tsaka kain na rin. Asakusa. So, nagutom yung asawa ko, tsaka yung tatay ko. So, merong street food dito sa malapit sa Warner Brothers. Katabi lang halos ng train station na Toshimaen. Ito yung itsura niya. Mga 130, 140 yen lang per stick. So, para siyang mga pork stick, beef sticks. I'm not sure what these are. I think this is the meatball dito sa street na to. Harap siya.
So yung
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Pakita mo.
liver. Sobrang sarap.
Dahan-dahan! Harry Potter train. This is in Toshimaen Station. Sa tabi nung meron namang mga ganito. Ito yung prices nila. 120 coffee. Pocari Sweat 150. Tokyo Subway ticket. Andito na kami, malapit sa hotel namin. Kakababa lang namin ang Asakusa Station. Ayan lang siya yung station. Tapos ito na yung bridge. This is the Sumida River. You can see the Asahi building there and the Tokyo Sky Tree. Ang ganda! Yan!
Eto, walang rice
Walang rice. Try muna natin isang steak. What if mag-steak tayo tsaka beef cutlet, tapos rice na lang? Diba? Oo, dinagdagan na namin. So, itong restaurant na to, since 1973 po. So, Hokkaido Izakaya something. This is just in front of, ayun, may KFC dun sa likod. Asakusa Station. Nasa second floor. Ang dami kumakain dito. Kaya sabi namin mukhang okay. Beef cutlet. Ay, mali.
Beef Wagyu beef cutlet.
This is the steak Wagyu. Wagyu steak. Sarap. Sarap.